Mean, mode, and bar graphs. The mode is the most commonly occurring item in the data set. Sometimes a set of data can have two or more modes. For example, the data set green green, blue blue, black brown, hazel has two modes. Both green and blue are equally common. If none of the items occurs twice or more, there is no mode. For example, this data green, blue, pink, red, black, brown, purple has no mode. So now we have a question asking us find the mode of the data. So water. We have water that is listed 1, 2, 3 times. So water would be a mode. Pop, it happens 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So pop is definitely one. Juice 1, 2, 3. Yeah, juice is one. Actually, we have 5 pops, my mistake. And milk is not a mode. So water, pop, and juice would be the mode, because it has 2 or more modes. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?